How to make your relationship public on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your relationship public on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down and click this one, profile information, and then click on this pen here and click sharing with, and now just click public, and now your relationship is public. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.